Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Ryan. I'm here in Sedona, Arizona for the Sedona Mountain Bike Festival. I'm going to be taking you down Mescal Trail to Canyon of Fools. It rained a little bit this morning, so the dirt is awesome and it's going to be a fun time. Alright, so the first bit of this trail starts off with a little climb over these rocks and some roots. Then we got some more. I'm gonna try to take a bit more difficult line there. This is kind of sick, but kind of difficult. Oh, I kind of want to get this clean. All right, I'm gonna start right here, and hopefully I can get this clean, get some good speed, and then punch up that. Oh, I just gotta keep going. Sweet. Looking like it's gonna be a fun little section right here. Maybe you can make it extra fun. Sick. The dirt here gets super good, as you can tell. This is some actual hero dirt right now. And then, okay, this is sick. Almost went off trail, but still sick. Oh, this is so cool. Not sure if that was the intended trail. Wasn't sure where I was going there, but it's super fun anyways. Get over this little slick rock. Make that little climbing section a bit easier. Look at that. Take a second to just take in all these views. Like, holy dude, it's insane. Let's continue. Whoa. Get some decent speed right here. Just riding along this slab. Pretty sick. Whoa, this is insane. Bring that dropper up and just kind of soak it all in to really see all these different views, all these different awesome angles. Super sick. And then we got our Canyon of Fools here. Let's go. Let's just drop right into it. Brakes are a bit squeaky. That's okay. Had to make sure I would hit that corner. This is so sick. Trail goes this way, okay? It's a cool little, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hang on. I gotta make sure that I'm experiencing everything here. This is a trail right here. This is part of the Canyon of Fools. This looks insanely sick. I'm gonna hike up and ride this. Okay, this rain is not slowing down, so I'm just gonna go through this easier section because don't want to get caught in this slick rock because it definitely gets slippery. So insanely sick. And this dirt is not like, this dirt is actually good. It's not just, whoa, that was a slow section. That is sweet. Jeez, this is really rainy. Ow! Oh my gosh, an entire rock flew up into me and my shins. This is insane through here. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is crazy. This rain is definitely raining. All right, so took a little break under a tree and it seems to only be getting worse. So I'm just gonna continue, try to get down this trail as fast as I can before it gets too muddy. Okay. Whoa. This is some sketchy riding with this rain. Oh my. Oh. That's sick. What the heck? Didn't have enough speed for that to jump. But that was insane. Oh, we got some sick rollers here. What? Whoa! This is crazy. What the heck? This is so sick. Oh, there's another little hip there that I don't have speed for. Drop. What the heck? This is insane. My hands are freezing. Dude, I gotta get back. This rain is crazy. Oh my gosh, the mud. This is so bad. I don't know how to get back from here because this mud is just caking to my tires. I really don't want to be ruining these trails, but I have to get out of here somehow. I'm literally in a river right now trying to ride while it's raining. This is so bad. Here's the road, sweet. I'm so muddy and so wet. This is actually dangerous. That's the end of the video. I need to get back. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching.